Welcome to Textile Technology channel. In this video, you will see the complete cutting section work in a garment industry. First step, normal paper placing. Firstly, normal paper is placed on the cutting table before fabric spreading, so that cutting machine can move without creating any problem in the lower ply of the fabric. Second step, manual and auto fabric spreading. Fabric spreading is done manually. Fabric spreading is done by auto fabric spreading machine. Third step, marker paper placing. Marker paper is placed on the top of the fabric ply by tap. Fourth step, manual and auto fabric cutting. Fabric cutting is started according to the marker plan. Fabric is cut by auto-computerized fabric cutting machine. Fifth step, cut panel numbering. Numbering of cut panel is done by stickering machine. Sixth step, cut panel inspection. Cut panel inspection is done to remove the defects fabric panel. Seventh step, sorting and bundling. Size and color-wise, cut panel sort after numbering. Style, size, and color-wise fabric bundling is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.